Hello everybody and welcome back for you and for us also. It's been long since our last video, but we were on a small vacation and we're building a house. So yeah, things got complicated. But in the meantime, our Sharan is telling us that our key has a low battery, or our key fob has a low battery. I wasn't able to catch the message on a screen and to put it here, but yeah. So this is the Sharan key and we need to change the battery, which is located right here. It's exactly the same for the Jetta, even if it's an older key with a slightly different pattern, it's exactly the same. So let's get to it because it's not that complicated. What you need to do is to open the key from the key fob and you will find here a square. So that's the first clip that you need to undo. You can use a flat screwdriver, a very small flat screwdriver, or just your hand, but don't pull like a dinosaur because you're going to break it. So let me show it to you. Just, let's say, pry it like this, right? You can actually press the middle of it and raise it in the same time for you to be able to bend it a little bit. So after this is done, you will just need to open it a little bit harder like this, and it's out. And why I've said don't do like a dinosaur, because if you break this leg or the other one, it's kind of done. It's not completely ruined, but it's not far from it. So we have an IKEA battery CR2032, which is not bad, but still IKEA. Okay, so this means that it's not the original one. Whoa, went out directly. So goodbye IKEA battery. And these are the most, I don't know if powerful or good or decent enough batteries that I found. 2032 Energizer. Hope they are going to be good for a few years at least. So you take the battery, you take the front side down, so the writings and the plus, it's up. You just put it in place like this. Then you take the cap. If you want, you can take some Q-tips and clean it and make it pretty again. And then just put it back like this. Clip it in place and it's done. And it's exactly the same for the Jetta. So for the older types of keys, you have the same clip here. It's exactly the same. You just bring it up like this. And here we have a Panasonic one, which is still good. It's made in Indonesia or something, but it's good. So I'm just going to put it back because this one doesn't need to be changed. Yep. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. See you in the next one. Bye.